As a new semester blooms on the horizon, it is filled with the promise of knowledge, friendships, and growth. College and university students stand on the threshold of a transformative journey. Like many changes, we know they will happen, yet the how and when are often unclear. We don't know what the future holds, though the entire point of higher education is to grow, become a better self, and open opportunities for the future. Yet amidst the hustle of academia, one vital aspect often gets overlooked: our spiritual connection to the world around us. Welcome, dear wisdom seekers, to a path transcending textbooks, lecture halls, and writing assignments. As a spiritual life advisor or chaplain at New York University, allow me to help guide you on this voyage. I aim to walk with you and help you explore the deep meanings and transformative mysteries within the sacred connection between the earth and you. While much of my work through the Office of Global Spiritual Life focuses on the needs of our students, I also address my fellow faculty and staff, inviting you to consider how these thoughts can apply and serve you as well. Attending to our spiritual connection to the land is not woo-woo. It is a practice that harkens back to the beginnings of recorded human history, when people sought to find their place in relationship to the natural world. In a time of significant climate change and an endless cycle of severe weather events, many of us need to spiritually come to terms with a world that does not resemble the regular cycles many of us remember when we were younger. Our college or university years are marked by exploration, self-discovery, and sometimes uncertainty. You may feel adrift in a sea of questions, expectations, and choices. Don't worry, you're not alone. And nothing is wrong with you. Many who are twice your age still try to make sense of their lives. Remember, dear students, that the compass to navigate these turbulent waters resides within you. You must come to terms with your own conclusions. For if you only heed the voices of others, you may find yourself living a life shaped by their desires, not your own. I have learned that our connection to nature is the sacred web that binds all life, which I turn to for support, strength, and meaning. This is the essence of eco-spirituality, the spiritual connection to the world where you can find solace and guidance. You know that feeling you have when you walk along the beach and feel the sand on your feet, or the glimpse you have of the world around us from a high peak while on a hike, or even the loving look you get from your dog. Yeah, those feelings help us to glimpse how eco-spirituality has a place in our lives. As the mighty oak grows from a humble acorn, so can your spiritual connection deepen and blossom during these vital years. Your education isn't confined to classrooms. It's in the rustling leaves, the gentle caress of the wind, and the rhythmic pulse of the earth beneath your feet. These experiences are always there, only awaiting our notice to embrace them and own them for a part of our lives. Since starting this work, I've helped students find academic resources, practice meditation, and navigate challenging questions. I aim to create a safe space for reflection, discussion, and support without judgment or expectation. I don't provide answers, but I offer tools for self-care, community building, and resilience to strengthen a sense of belonging, purpose, and transcendence. This often helps students who want to talk and work through spiritual issues, especially when they have difficulty articulating exactly what they want or need. A clear roadmap of spirituality does not exist, and it can be messy when we try to come to terms with our own internal spiritual needs. In this way, I think of nature as our sacred book and teacher. Here's a simple spiritual practice that can be performed anytime and anywhere without needing a wilderness or even a remote location. It can be easily integrated into your daily routine, even amidst a bustling metropolis. Let's call this the mindful breathing technique. Find a peaceful location, such as a park or garden or a quiet street. If you can't access these places, be creative and use a houseplant or a picture of nature you can locate. The location is not meant to be a challenge, but a setting for a simple yet profound breathing practice. Stand or sit comfortably and take a deep breath, inhaling the life-giving air. As you exhale, visualize your connection with the earth, feeling the energy flow through you. And then repeat a few times, focusing on your breath and the sensations of nature around you. You could not breathe air if the trees around us did not give it to us. And then carry this tranquil connection with you throughout the day. It is your personal resource to help you remember you are never alone and without the energy of the earth. I am a seasoned spiritual director who companions seekers and clients as part of my professional work. Still, in my capacity as your spiritual life advisor at New York University, where I specialize in eco-spirituality, I'm here to support our campus community. My mission is to foster knowledge, strategy, and eco-spirituality, guiding you in creating a path to a brighter and more sustainable future. Whether it's one-on-one spiritual direction or engaging workshops, I'm here to walk with you, providing a nurturing space for your spiritual growth. If these thoughts resonate with you and you're curious to explore more, know I'm here at New York University to walk with you on this journey. Together, we can delve into the mysteries and joys that nature's wisdom has to offer. I'm also happy to work with people outside the New York University community as part of my spiritual direction practice. If you are a student at another college or university, there are likely individuals on your campus who can support your spiritual needs. The wisdom and practices I share are universal and can be embraced by anybody, regardless of their studies. This is one of the fantastic things about seeking spiritual mentorship. There are almost limitless sources of inspiration and support. Unlike religious practices, which often focus on set practices or beliefs, our spirituality is personal and unique. It often lacks external signs or tools, and it helps to remind us of what's essential. That's why I keep a stone or two on my desk, as it helps to ground me and provide support when the day's work gets intense. Others may or may not notice them, but I value them in a way that helps me. Dear students, your journey in college and university is not only academic. It's a sacred voyage filled with opportunities to nurture your soul, connect with nature, and build a future that resonates with your deepest values. Embrace this path with an open heart and a curious mind. The wisdom of nature awaits you, and together, let's explore this profound teaching. Welcome to a new semester filled with hope, inspiration, and the beauty of the world surrounding us. May your roots grow deep and your spirit soar high. I would love to hear how this goes and the positive effects it brings to your life. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.